Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. This is the Audi TT. My name's Amit, and today we're going to take you on a sound experience and upgrade the sound system in this beautiful car. Let's get started.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Tom and I'm going to be working on this lovely Audi TT. So the client has come in and we are doing an audio upgrade for him. So this means we're going to be fitting the Audison Prima two-way kit, which is the Audison Prima tweeters and the 6.5-inch woofers. And then in the rear, we're going to be powering all of it with a 10-inch Prima active sub. So this will just give the car a nice kick. And to be fair, even without the sub, the Primas already sound lovely, but the client just wants that extra bit of kick in the back. So yeah, he's also gone with 20 sheets of sound deadening, skins 3mm. So we'll be putting that in, just getting our sound in a bit more, to keeping the sound a bit more enclosed in the car, and it just makes it all sound 10 times better. Right, so next step is now to move on, and we're going to start stripping the car after I've done my inspection and everything. And then after the stripping of the car, I'm then going to start with all of the sound deadening. So I'll see you there. Okay, so we've now finished sound deadening the whole car. What I've moved on to now is we're starting to fit the mids and everything into the car. What we've done, because the bolt holes line up perfectly with the factory box, we've just made a little spacer because the rim that the speaker bolts onto is quite thin and therefore hasn't got very much strength. So we just made a little 5mm spacer, and that just gives us a bit more strength to it. And that will just slip on underneath like this and then plop into there. So after I've got all of them fitted and got all my little connectors on, they'll be going back into the doors, and then I'm going to be running all my wire into the rear of the car so we can then get the sub fitted, and then that will be giving the customer a nice little kick when he's nice, like out on his summer drives, enjoying it. So yeah, let's get cracking with that, and then we'll see what's next. Okay, so after speaking with the client, he has opted to go for the sub in the boot. This is going to sit under the boot flooring. However, the only issue that we've bumped into is the box itself makes the floor sit a little bit higher. But that's not a problem, because what we're going to do is there's a foam insert which has like all your little bits for changing your wheels or whatever if you have a flat. So what we're going to do is just chop a little bit out of that so it sits around the sub, and we're going to put some feet on the foam, which then raises the whole level of it. And then the floor will drop in nicely, it won't be rocking back and forth, and the client will still A, have his factory location for all of the tools, and B, he's going to have a nice little kick that didn't come with the car from factory. So let's get this all mounted and get a boom in.
So that is it. Tom has worked his magic on this Audi TT, and boy, it was worth it. It sounds incredible, but we'll get onto that bit a little bit later. Now, in terms of the install in this car, it has had a really nice system, and I'm just going to give you an overview of what has actually gone into this car. So the car came to us with the completely standard and stock sound system, not the upgrade, just the base system, and it was lacking. If you own one of these vehicles or have been in one, you will know how poor the factory sound system is, and it was time to improve that. So the client has gone for a really nice OEM look upgrade, which is the Audison APK 165P speakers on the front end, replacing your tweeters on the dashboard and the mid-range in the door. And as well as that is a 10-inch active sub from Audison. Again, a lovely compact sub that sits actually underneath the boot floor in this car. Now, whenever we're speccing up a system, it's important to bear in mind not only budget, what they're expecting out of the system, but how they want it to look and sound. Obviously sound is most important, but keeping everything with that OEM look is really, really important and was paramount for this customer to have the system look absolutely like it wasn't there. And that is exactly what we have done. The front end is completely hidden behind OEM grills. Nothing is changed visually. You just have the overall amazing sonic experience from the Audison Prima range at the front. It provides an improvement of clarity, depth, all of the expectation that you would expect from a better system, you're now getting in this car, replacing the OEM rubbish system that was in there. Now, in the rear of this car, we have something a little bit special. And this is again where we work with our client to find the root solution for them, because every client is different, every car is different, and everything deserves the care and attention that it gets here at Cambridge Car Audio. So the client wanted us to stick this 10-inch active sub underneath the boot floor to retain all of their boot space if they ever wanted to take it on big trips, and that is exactly what we have done. Now, that is no easy task on these cars. Some cars it fits underneath nice and easily. However, on these cars you're already limited on space, so finding a solution that allows a 10-inch sub to go underneath the boot floor is not easy. So the way that Tom has managed to do this is really, really amazing. It takes a lot of collaboration with our client as well, using our internal group chat and our documented process of how we actually do every install. So we were able to modify, again asking the client what they wanted to do, but modify the kind of foam underneath the boot floor that houses your spare wheel, that kind of jazz. I'm able to modify that, but still keep all of the tools and everything underneath there accessible and in a nice, safe manner where it's not going to rattle around when you're out driving. However, still including that 10-inch sub underneath that boot floor, keeping everything a really nice OEM look. If you didn't lift that up, you would have no idea it's there, apart from when you turn that sub on and you absolutely hear the bass and the depth of it. Now, even though this car is a convertible, that subwoofer is in the boot, it's a little bit away from you in the cabin, the power it still gives is incredible. That's why we love using the 10-inch active sub. It still transfers so much bass into the cabin and provides an overall nice experience when you're actually listening to it. And remember, you still have full control over all of that using the little sub controller on the steering column. But what we're going to do now is we're going to jump inside this car, have a quick listen and just show you how much of an improvement it is over the standard system. Let's have a look. So now we're inside the TT, we're just going to have a quick listen to how the system sounds. Obviously remember we've got the Audison Prima front end as well as the active sub in the boot. So I'm going to stop talking and let's have a listen to some symphonies. Wow, I mean, honestly, that is just night and day from how this car came into us. When it came in, it was lacking any depth, lacking really any clarity as well, but that has totally been fixed with this system. That 10-inch active sub, even though it is in its own area, is performing amazingly. I'm always blown away of how good these subs actually are. They sound incredible, but it's the controlled bass that really gets me. It's actually enjoyable to have on at a loud volume for an extended period of time. It's one of the reasons why I absolutely love them. And as well, with the Prima front end, you get the clarity, you get the definition that you're after. Just makes the whole driving experience and also listening experience so much more enjoyable. It's one of the must-have upgrades if you have one of these cars. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Tom has worked his magic on this one and it sounds incredible. A lovely, lovely upgrade, and I'm sure this client is going to be over the moon with the results. But if you're interested to watch future content just like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel and I shall see you on future content. But like this one as well if you've enjoyed the video. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.